Hello my fashion lovers, welcome to another exciting tutorial. On today's tutorial, we'll be looking at how to fix a zipper. This is going to be a gown zip, so I'll be fixing it on this fabric. I'm going to be stitching it on the 1-inch zip allowance I left. The 1-inch zip allowance. This is the back of the fabric. This is the back. Take your zip, open up your zip, then this is the front of the fabric and this is the back. This is the back. What you are going to do now, this is the back. You take your zip. You're going to take your zip. You are going to place it on the zip allowance that you left. This is the front zipper. This is the front zipper. You should face it. Let it face the front fabric. You can use your pin to hold it down. Before stitching, you can use your pin to hold it down. Be sure of what you're stitching. I'm stitching on the 1-inch sewing allowance that I left. There is a mark on the zip. Make sure you're stitching right on the mark. Make sure you're stitching right on the mark. Now I'm going to stitch. Make sure you backstitch. You backstitch and sew it down close to the line of the zipper. Make sure you're not sewing it on your zipper, and don't draw your zipper. Don't draw your zipper. Make sure you sew it gently. Make sure you don't draw your zipper. And sew it right on the zip allowance that you left. So it's right on the zip allowance that you left, close to the zipper. See where I'm sewing. Close to the zipper. Do not allow the stitch to enter into the zipper. Stitch and get to the point. Stitch and get to the point where you stitched, where your zipper is going to stop. Make sure you leave a little 1-inch. Leave 1 inch on your zipper. You don't have to stitch the whole zipper down. Leave 1 inch. Or 1/2 inch. Do not stitch the whole zipper down. and make sure you follow your 1 inch. As a beginner, make sure you push this thing, pin it down, right, to be easier for you. Do not stitch the whole zipper down. Back stitch. You're going to leave, do not stitch everything down, leave at least 1/2 inch of your zipper. When we close it, this is what we have. To stitch at the other side is very easy. Just pull your fabric, bring out the other side. Let your front zipper face the front fabric and stitch using your sewing allowance. Start from the down and stitch. The same way you stitched this side, that's the same way you're going to stitch this side too. Make sure you back stitch. You must follow the seam allowance that you left. You must follow the seam allowance that you left. You want to get a perfect zip. Make sure you use your hands to guide the zipping. As a beginner, make sure you pin down. Make sure you pin down before you sew. When you get to this point, put down your zip. Put down your zip and continue. Going to use your lining, finish it up. Can you see our zipper? Very neat. Can you see the zip? Very neat. Very neat zip. Can you see? Make sure you use your allowance, sewing allowance that you left. If you don't use it, you're going to run into problem. See your zip. Leave the seam allowance. Can you see how neat the zip is? Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, like, comment, and share my videos. See you next time.